Voyager Archive File V2091 on September 14, 2037, NASA's Deep Space Network detected something unusual, a transmission from Voyager 2. At first, nobody was concerned. The spacecraft had been sending data back to Earth for decades, even after crossing the edge of our solar system, even after entering interstellar space. But this transmission was different. The data wasn't damaged. It wasn't incomplete. It was changing. Engineers noticed that portions of the incoming telemetry no longer matched any known Voyager system. Entire blocks of information appeared inside the transmission without explanation. Data that should not have existed. At first, they suspected corruption, a software fault, cosmic radiation, a failing onboard computer. But the anomaly continued. Every new transmission contained additional unknown data, and the deeper analysts looked, the stranger it became. The source appeared to originate from a region beyond Voyager 2's current position, a location where no object had ever been detected, no star, no planet, no known structure, only darkness. Researchers unofficially began referring to the region as the Dead Zone, a vast area of space where instruments consistently returned incomplete readings, as if something interfered with observation itself. Then came the event that changed everything on October 3rd. A signal arrived containing a sequence unlike anything previously recorded. The pattern repeated every 90 seconds, perfectly, mathematically, artificially. Engineers converted the sequence into a visual format. What appeared on the screen made no sense. The data formed geometric structures, impossible shapes, objects that seemed to change depending on the angle from which they were viewed, as if the information itself was alive. Over the following weeks, the transmissions became increasingly unstable. Some packets contained fragments of star charts. Others appeared to show regions of space that did not exist in any known survey. Then analysts discovered something disturbing. Several coordinates embedded within the corrupted data pointed directly toward Earth. The same coordinates, repeated again and again. No explanation was ever found. NASA never released an official statement. And according to internal records, access to the Voyager Anomaly Archive was restricted shortly afterward. But one final transmission was reportedly received before the signal changed permanently. Unlike previous messages, this one contained no telemetry, no engineering data, no scientific observations, only a single line hidden within the corrupted stream. 7 words: "We found the edge." It looked back. Hours later, the anomalous data stopped. Voyager 2 continued transmitting, but the strange patterns never appeared again. Officially, nothing unusual happened. The mission remained a success. The spacecraft continued its journey into the darkness between the stars. Yet one question remains: if Voyager 2 really entered a region known as the Dead Zone, what was waiting there? And more importantly, why did it know where we are? End of transmission.